Everybody now. Let's get a sound check, doubles. Can we get a sound check? 1 2 1 2. Everybody, 1 2 3. Money, 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 money. Money. Everybody. Money, 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 money. Money. Ooh. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Are we live, doubles? Are we live? Are we live? Can you hear me on the socials? You got me on all the socials? You got me on all the socials. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm here with my compatriot, the one, the only, the indelible one, the Rainmaker, a.k.a. BATL in the house. The Rainmaker. Go ahead. They like hearing it, bro.
A.k.a. the Rainmaker.
They love that, bro. They love that. Come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, it's another episode of Power Play that we are hosting for y'all. Let's get a share party. If you're new to the show, let me break it down to you. Let me tell you a little something about it. Power Play is basically where we go ahead and get ourselves ready for Power Hour, which starts at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, between 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is when volume generally comes back in for the afternoon session. So what we do is we go ahead and take a look at the market movers from the earlier in the day and see which ones have gasoline in the tank that might actually start running again during the Power Hour when volume comes back in. We look at the charts, we look at the filings, we look at the float, the volume, we look at the press releases and much, much more, and we go over it. Then we put them on high heat, let them simmer a little bit, and we go ahead and we get some victory royales. Get some victory royales, doubles. In Fortnite. That's the play portion of the show, because we got to let the stocks cook a little bit. You know what I mean, doubles? They got to cook. They got to percolate. They got to marinate, baby. They got to marinate. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, it's not Power Hour yet. That's when the volume comes in, the volume. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and jump into a match right away. Let's get the first 100, 200 folks in here. And after the match, we'll go and start looking at some of the stonks, right, doubles? We'll look at some of the stonks. Right now, we're looking at NAMM. The stock has had a history of running in the past, and it's currently up 28%. It's a 4 million float stock, 4 million float stock. That's what we're looking at right now. NAMM. Let's go ahead and get that share party going on. Let's share it up with NAMM up 28%. Doubles, doubles, doubles. Let's go, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Oh, my gracious, double. Whew, that coffee. That coffee is delicious, doubles. You never got into coffee, right, doubles? 28%. Trending up. NAMM. NAMIB Minerals. NAMIB Minerals. Ooh. 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 Oh my gracious, everybody's so aggressive this morning. What's going on here? Come on now. Why y'all so aggressive? Why y'all so aggressive? Why, I tell you. Ooh. All right, doubles. Oh, what the heck is this, bro? What is this chest right there? What is that? They did something over here, doubles. What is that? What is that? What is that chest, bro? Oh my, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to check it out at some point, you know? You know those? I'm gonna have to check it out. Well, that's like, I think the rift for the NPCs, bro. But I'm curious as to what that is right there, bro. I'm curious as to what that is right there. I gotta go there anyway. I hope that doesn't attract too many folks over there. But if they do show up, I might have to, like, just percolate them and eliminate them, you know? You know how I do, doubles. You know how I do. Percolate and eliminate, bruh. You know how we do. Oh, my. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We got people nearby. What's going on here? Let's go. Oh, my. Don't make me shoot you, because I will. Doubles. Ooh, let's go, baby. Oh, okay. I think I'm going to have to percolate and eliminate, bro. I hear gunfire all over the place, bro. Look at that right there. There's a lot of shooting going on, bruh. A lot of shooting going on, bruh. A lot of shooting going on, bruh. I'm feeling like I'm gonna go with, you know what? There's got to be somebody here, because there's that chest right there, bruh. What is that chest? What is it, bro? Does it make sense? What is it? I don't know. I don't see it, bruh. What is this thing? I don't know. Alright, I don't know. I don't know what it is, bro. I have no clue. Alright, whatever. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Alright, somebody's coming at me. Get out of here, bro. Come on, bro. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. Why are you trying to be a fool, bruh? Why are you trying to be a fool, bruh? Why are you trying to be a fool, bruh? Did you see that fool? Did you see that fool, Doubles? He was trying to get all percolating with me. Come on now. Come on. You can't get percolating with the coach. What is wrong with you? Let's go. Jessica, what's up? How you doing? Is that a ticker? Y-E-R-R? Is that a ticker? We'll check it out if it is as soon as I get out of this game. Oh, yeah! Oh, I got you. Okay, man, dude, that's like a boomer moment. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Just got a little irritated by that fool trying to eliminate the coach. What's up with that? What is up with that, bruh? Man, they didn't get... Oh, we got somebody up here, bro. Yo, we're busy today, bro. Why are we busy today, bro? Why? Why? Where you at, fool? Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. What are you doing, fool? Oh, my gracious. Look at this gun. It's delicious, bro. Let's go. Oh, we got more people coming, bro. Man, what is going on? Is there a sale today? Let's go. I'm gonna go get him, bro. He's right there, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Well, you crazy? Are you crazy? You must be a fool. He must be a fool, bro.
Yes, Jessica, we can see your chats.
Yeah, I'm just getting, like, attacked over here. I'm sorry, Jessica. Everything's good. How are you? How are you? Yes, totally see your chats. I'm sorry about that. Just, was being attacked by that fool. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great day. Woo! Holy smokes. Excellent. Excellent. Are you making money today? I hope you're making money. Yo, that dude, though, huh? He was trying to thirst the coach, bro. Come on now. What is wrong with people? Why are they trying to hurt the poor coach? You know what I mean, Doubles? I don't know. Ooh, but I got a lot of like, build now, you know? I need some shield, a little bit of shield, you know? And we're good, we're good. That fool, bro. What's wrong with him? I don't know what they were showing over there on that icon. You know, I don't know, have any idea what that icon was. I'm doing great. I am doing great. Absolutely awesome. Had a good day of trading, even though it was kind of slow. You know. It was very disciplined, and now I'm gonna get a dub fuss. Why not? And then we'll do some preparation of some of the stonks. You know. Did you trade today, or did we just watch it? Yeah, you're right. I do make a lot of noise with the stag thing, don't I? Doubles, you know? You're right. I do make a lot of noise, don't I? With my keyboard, you're right, bro. You're right. I clack-a-lackin' a lot, don't I? I clack-a-lack a lot. I clack-a-lack the keyboard a lot, bro. I do. Just watching today, I don't blame you. It was a little bit rough today. Usually when President speaks, the market kind of slows down quite a bit, you know? Ooh, I'm thinking about that, but I want a jetpack, bro. No jetpack. Really? Let's do that real quick. Let's do that real quick right there. Let's pop that. There's people here, bro. There's people here, bro. My thoughts are, I'm going to do it, bro. I'm going to buy this thing. I want to try it, you know? I want to see what the story is with it. Yeah, so, you know, hey, a no-trade day is certainly something that could be worthwhile sometimes, you know? Let the dust settle a little bit. I hear so much gunfire over here, bro. I hear gunfire galore. What the heck? What is going... Ooh, I like that. Where the heck did this guy go? Where did this guy go? There was gunfire right up here, bro. You know? Let's go back over here. They don't have any... They don't have the heals that I want. Yes, Jessica, I'm a Fortnite guy. Double switches games. He plays all different types of games. Me, I'm strictly Fortnite. I've been at it for, how long, Doubles? 2018? Yeah, since 2018, season 7, right? No, chapter 7, season, you know, like, no, what the heck is it, Doubles? Do you remember? Chapter 7, right? No, chapter 1, season 7. How about yourself? Do you play? Oh, dude, they changed the look at this, bro. They changed the loadout, bro. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm addicted to it. You know, my son turned me on to gaming, and here we are. Here we are. He knows I'm addicted to things, you know, like I get addicted to all kinds of things, like gaming. Yeah, you got me. Oh, we got an enemy over here, bro. Where's that? Where's he at? Where's he at, bro? Bye, fool. See you later. Ciao, Bella. Ciao, Bella. Ciao for now. Wow, this is all changed over here, bro. This is different. What is this? Huh, that's interesting. Now I gotta check this out. This looks like, you know what this looks like? It looks like an AR, bro. But apparently it locks. That's all baloney, bro. I did right-click it, bro. Yes, I do stream. I do stream every day. Well, not, except for Saturday and Sunday. I stream Monday through Friday. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yo, so what is this supposed to do, bro? I don't understand.
It's supposed to lock onto a person.
I don't see that. Okay.
Well,
All right, we'll see. Listen, I wanted to try something different. You know what I mean? We'll see. Ooh, jetpack, bruh. You know what? Screw this gun. Stick with what works, bro. Stick with what works, bro. Yeah, heck yeah, bro. I'm all about mobility, bro. Look at what I got, bro. I got the MK, bro. I got right. Is that what it is? What is it? Yeah, the MK7, bro. Purple. What? Are you kidding me? Tell him, Jessica. Tell him. Woo! Doubles. Let's go, baby. I like teasing you, bro. Oh, we got some enemies over here, bro. We got enemies over here, bro. Right over here, bro. Look. Right over here, bro. Somebody we could percolate with. Oh, right there, bro. Look, right there, bro. Right over there, it looks like. I did doubles. I did. I did doubles. I did doubles. There's somebody behind me, bro, shooting at me. Oh, this gun looks good, bro, but I like my MK, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I like my MK, bro. I like my MK, bro.
It's a very tight circle. You don't need jetpack.
Doubles. I like it, bro. Leave me alone. Let me play my game, doubles. He's causing trouble. Watch. I do need my jetpack, bro. I need my jetpack. Look. Mobility. I'm all about it, bro. I'm all about my mobility, bro. No, that's a doubles thing. You like horror games, right, doubles? You love the horror games, right? Oh, what game are you playing right now?
No, not now. Not now.
There's somebody right over here, bro.
Not now, but I'm playing Resident Evil 2.
There's somebody over here, bro. Right over here, bro. Somebody right there, bro. I stick to what I know, you know? I know what I know, and that's it, bro. That's it. That's it. I'm not worried about it, man. It don't mean nothing. This guy's trying to get my kill, though. And I don't like that, bro. I don't like that, bro. Where you at, fool? Right there. Mm-hmm. Doubles. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right, now I could see you, fool. Hold on, there's somebody over here, bro. Mm-hmm, bro. Bye, fool. Bye, fool. Yo, that gun is redonkulous, bro. Yeah, but I see him too. All right, doubles. I gotta reload over here, bro. Doubles loves anime. Absolutely loves it. Yep.
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z, right?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, he loves Dragon. What about you? You like it too? All right, there's 3 folks left, bro. This guy is still over here, bro. All right, doubles. Here we go. Oh! All right, bro. Oh, shoot. Got no mats, bruh. Oh, bro. I was out of mats, bro. I was out of mats, bro. This guy kept lasering me with that freaking gun, bro. I wonder if he picked it up from me. You know, I wonder.
Probably did.
Who's your favorite? Dragon Ball Z is your favorite character, right?
Yeah.
Let's go see. Let's go check out some stonks. Let's go check out some stonks.
Goku.
Goku specifically, he said.
I'm basic like that.
Yeah, he loves Goku. Basically Goku. Goku. Right, Devils? Yeah.
That's the character right there.
Yes, sir. Let's take a look at some of the stonks meanwhile. All right, that was a nice little warm-up. Let's get to the first 100, folks. Let's get some sharing going on. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get to the first 100. All right, we're going to take a look at a couple of these stonks. Jessica said Goku is fire. Facts, 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 facts. All right, let's take a look at what's going on over here. NAMM pulling back. Let's go to DRMA. DRMA, let's check it out. DRMA. Oh, nope, that ain't it. That ain't it. Try it again. DRMA. 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 Dermata Therapeutics up 64%. 64%, 3 million float stock, 22 million, 23 million volume, 23 million volume, over a 7x, almost an 8x rotation, volume to float, currently $2 and change, $2.17, 70% up, 70% up. And what do we got over here? It's basically trending upward. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. All right, we can see that the 9 EMA is nicely stacked above the volume weighted average, but we have a 5-minute candle, which is a shooting star, which is a top tail. Another fancy word for a top tail. We don't like top tails. Doubles, we like bottom tails. Bottom tails, bottom tails. So we need to see it reverse. There is a bit of separation between the 9 and the VWAP, not a lot, so there could be continued extension, but what's concerning me right now is what we're looking at right over here, right here. The prevailing volume candle is primarily red, so we want some nice big juicy green candles to pop up. RSI still has room, so it could keep moving up. So hopefully we'll get some nice green candles, and this basically becomes a reversal type of pattern. But this top tail is concerning at this point, so we'll see what happens. Let's go to AGAE. AGAE. And AGAE has had a rocky road. You can see it up and down, up and down, up and down. But for the most part, it's been trending upward. So we put a trend line right underneath, and you can see that it has been continually trending upward. It's currently up 62%. There has been a significant extension between the 9 EMA and the volume weighted average. You could see that the 9 EMA is pulling downward with the price action to get compressed again with the VWAP, and you could see that volume is dropping as well as the RSI starting to dip towards the oversold area, all an indication that a pullback may be in order. What we don't want to have happen is we don't want to have a situation where this becomes a shoulder, this becomes a head, and this becomes a shoulder and price action dips. So right now what we'll do is we'll look at it as a potential pennant, right? So right over here, let's go ahead and put this pennant right over here, right? Let's look at it as if it's a pennant. And if it can hold above this trend line and break this trend line, then it could give us a bullish type of a setup. But what we're seeing right now in reality is a potential breakdown in form, especially since we still have an hour and 4 minutes before power hour. So there's a lack of volume. So let's see if volume comes in and gives it a boost upward. The other issue is it's going to be extremely volatile since it's under $1. Stocks that are under $1 tend to be more volatile. But right now it's up 65%, and it is the third leading gainer. Let's take a look at KNRX, see what's going on with that one. KNRX currently showing that it's up 109%, but a massive sell-off, big sell-off. You could see it right over here. So it really needs to break this general downtrend to be Shamexe.
Yes, sir.
And unfortunately, the 9 EMA is continuing to dip under, and this VWAP right over here at $2.64 is going to certainly be a significant resistance area if, in fact, the price does start to curl upward. It's going to need volume. Obviously, we still got plenty of time for this stock and all the other stocks to get blessed by the volume gods. We still have an hour and 3 minutes before the power hour, doubles before the power hour. But we could see RSI is definitely oversold, so hopefully this will start to curl and move upward. That's what we're hoping for. BATL, let's take a look at it. BATL. It's an oil company. Oil. So you got geopolitical stuff going on. There's potential unrest in the Middle East, right? Potential unrest in the Middle East. So that oftentimes will cause oil prices to go up. And as a result, oil companies will go up. This is a 4 million float stock, 45 million in volume today. It's at around $4.30. Currently up 41%. However, it has formed an irregular double top. So if I get the graffiti pencil activated, we got a top over here, doubles, and we got another top over here. You had a flusheroo right after the double top because the double top is a bearish pattern, right? And it seems to be continuing to flush downward. The 9 EMA is pointing clearly downward below the VWAP. The VWAP is $4.68. So we'll put a graffiti pencil over there so we could see where the volume weighted average is. Generally speaking, when the volume weighted, wherever the price action is in relation to the volume weighted average, it gives you an idea of whether or not the stock is bullish or bearish. If the price action is below the volume weighted average, that's generally a bearish signal. And if the 9 EMA, which is a shorter wavelength of a moving average than the VWAP, is pointing downward, that signifies that the price action is significantly bearish, and that's confirmed by the fact that there's a lack of volume. And of course there's going to be a lack of volume because we still have about an hour before power hour comes in. But more importantly, you also have this downward slope on the relative strength index, also known as the RSI. You could see that the RSI is dipping downward. So what we really want to see is a break of this downtrend, and we want to see it move away from the oversold area, which is down here, come to the midsection, and then ultimately break up towards the top area. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's get a share party going on. Hit the subscribe button at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Make sure you comment and set the notifications on so you don't miss a show. Doubles, what do you think? Don't miss a show, baby. Don't miss it. Don't do it. Don't do it, I tell you. Don't do it. That coffee's good. You're going to want to also follow us on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Money. At Coach Money on Twitter, on x.com. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's everything having to do with financial news that we post, and Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, everything and anything having to do with micro-cap and small-cap stocks, whether it's technical analysis, filings, press releases, and much, much more. It's on our X account at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And also, we are on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And we're on TikTok. Tiki-taki, or as Doubles likes to call it, the tac at DBL Nicks. At DBL and ICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Alex is in the house. What's up? Drama's on fire. Got in on the pullback on market open, up almost 60%. Let's go, baby. Let's put it up for you. Let's put it up. We'll check it out for you, DRMA. Let's check it out, baby. It's been trending up like a Dickens, bro. Trending up, making money. Yo, you know what we got to do for Alex, right? Money. Oh, baby, let's go, Alex. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm just saying. Folks, we're sharing with you one of our many custom scanners that were custom built by us for our Discord community. You can see it on the left side of the screen right over here, and it is a custom-made scanner. It's a pretty in-depth scanner, including float and volume, which is a must. A lot of scanners don't include the float, so you have no idea how many shares there are. You only know what the volume is, so you don't know if it's a big floated stock or a small floated stock, and whether or not it's going to have more propensity towards being parabolic or not, depending on what the float is. In addition to that, the scanner also includes these hyperlinks right up top over here, which basically, when you click into them, you'll get information about the stock specifically that you're interested in. So if you wanted to look into DRMA, you would click the DRMA link right over here, and it would open up news about the stock, press releases, filings. Does it have a shelf registration? Is it a dilution risk? What's going on with it? What was the 52-week high? What was the 52-week low? Etc., etc., etc. All that information is at your fingertips with this scanner. We also have the breakout scanner that we call the ticker tape scanner. That scanner is constantly probing the entire small cap market to find stocks that are behaving in such a way that they want to potentially go parabolic. So it's an early warning system that scanner has. We have other scanners as well. In addition to that, we also provide an early watch list the evening before for the next day at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We put out the early watch list for the next day, and that list almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that ultimately go parabolic. In addition to that, we share with the community a ton of educational material pertaining to the market and how we trade. We also share what we're looking at and considering possibly trading, why we're looking at it, and so on and so forth. A lot of educational stuff. The community is awesome. The people are fantastic. And we have a 4-day trial for you for $9.99. You could go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of that for yourself. There you go. So go ahead and do that and check it out with your own eyes. Let us know that you are seeing us here on the live stream and that got you in. Jessica said, that sounds good to you. I'm not sure what she's saying. What is she? Oh, okay. We'll check it out after the stream. I'll check it out after the stream for you. We'll check it out after the stream. Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, let's go take a look at some other stocks. Well, let's take a look at drama first for Alex. Alex, all right, so it's still trending upward. Like I said, I'm concerned about this top tail, but the 9 EMA is above the volume weighted average. RSI still has room to go. We just need a little bit of volume, right? And you're holding for quite a while, so it looks like it's on a general uptrend. Let's take a look at the structure of the stock itself. Okay, the structure of drama is that it is a 3 million float stock. So the float is a very, very low, and it has now hit a 25 million volume. So the rotation of volume to float is quite significant. It's over 8 times volume to float. Let's take a look and see in our Discord if there's any news on DRMA. Let's take a look at it right there, Doubles. Go into our Discord and check the news feature for me, please. Thank you very much. And it had news on Wednesday that there was a form filed indicating that there was insider buying on drama. Drama. DR. It's not really drama. It's Dermata Therapeutics. But I call it drama because the logos, the ticker says DRMA. So drama. Why not? What's the drama? What's the drama? It's getting a lot of volume. It's already up to 26 million now, right? So they're just adding more and more volume to it as it goes. Just 2 minutes ago it was 25 million. So there's a lot of people paying attention to DRMA, including our boy Alex in the house. All right, let's go get a dubification for the community. I'm a little upset that I came in third, bro. I ran out of mats, bro. Yo, that guy with the gun, that thing was locking in. I hope it wasn't the gun I left out there.
Yeah.
It was?
It might have been.
I should have covered it. I probably shouldn't have bought it. I don't know how to use it, bro.
Probably, no, you gotta use it on people.
I tried shooting the guy in the sky, and it didn't even hit once, bro. It didn't even hit once, bro. Like what? I don't know how to use it, bro. I never used it. I tried, bro. I always right click when I aim down sight, bro. Come on, bro. Doubles, come on, man. Every day you come by the 40, you give me $3, I give you 50 cents. Today, I don't know. Today you give me problem, bro. I don't know. Yo, somebody just slid me. Wow, that was rude, bro. He didn't say freaking, bro. He didn't say that. He said, never mind. I ain't gonna say what he said. You know what he said. Yo, what is this? Don't tell me this thug is in the game again, bro. You're not in the game again, bro. Come here. What's the matter? You don't have the aim down sight gun no more? Come on now. What happened, bro? Come over here, bro. All right. Anyway, I'm getting a little out of hand, right, Doubles? See, this time there's no chest. Whatever that chest was, they don't have it this time. Force field. Force fields? What is that, bro? I don't understand. I'm confused, bro. Anyway, let's get it. We're watching DRMA moving on up ever so slightly, 64%. Trending. Insider buying news on the 18th. That was yesterday. Warning. Insider buying. Warning. Doubles, bro. All right, we got folks here, bro. We got some folks here, bro. All right, we gotta get down here. A sniper, really, bro? Really, bro? That's my first gun, bro? It's gonna be like that, bro? All right, AR, bet. I'll take it, bro. Where's this guy? Where's this guy at, bro? Is he here? Right there, I see him, bro. Come on, stop. Oh. Right there, bro. I know, bro. The other gun does not have a lot of ammo in it, bro. I'm gonna take the loot that he was trying to steal from my territory, bro. He tried to steal it from my territory, bro. Right, bro? He's trying to, bro. I don't get it, bro. I don't like what he was trying to do, bro. I don't like it, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, I blew it, bro. I took the half pot first. That was a mistake. I made a mistake, bro. That was a mistake. I made a mistake, bro. Now I need a half pot. It's alright. Don't matter none. Don't matter none to me. I'll still cook them. On high heat. Why not, bro? Let them simmer on high heat, bro. I'm not gonna get upset. Don't matter none. Don't matter to me. I throw a burger. Throw a burger down the throat. You know? Throw a burger. Right, Doubles? What do you think, bro? Is it like that? And that's the way. What is that? Nah, I don't want that. don't want that Fugazi gun. I don't want that Fugazi gun, bruh. I don't want none. I am not trying that lock gun anymore, bro. I've had enough. I've had enough doubles. I am annoyed at that lock-in gun. It did not work the way I wanted it to. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take it into creative next time, bro. I'll take it into creative. Yeah, I'll take it into creative, bro. You know what I mean? That I'll do. Right? You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, baby? Do you know what I mean, bro? I got so rudely interrupted. You notice that they're, like, getting stingy with the chests around here? Yeah, they're getting a little stingy. Little stingy. You feel me, doubles? Somebody was here, bro. I'm gonna take a little high ground over here, see if there's anybody nearby. Nah, I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody. Wow, there's a lot of activity over here, though. What happened over here? What happened? What happened? What happened here, bro? New chest right here, bro. Ooh, a jetpack? A jetpack? A jetpack, bro. A jetpack. Alright, let's go, baby. Let's go. Alright, let's do it, bro. Alright, alright, alright. I don't need that. I don't need that either. I do need that, though. I need that right there. I do need that. You know what? Why don't we get 2 of these suckers and start looting? Why not? Let's get it, doubles. Let's get it. Let's get it done, bro. Wow! Wow! Wow, bro! Wow, bro! Get myself some mats, bro. Let's get it, bro. What is this thing? That's that gun, bro. Bro, that's that gun. I don't know. What do you think, bro? Man, I don't really like it though, bro. Oh my god, that is nasty though. I'm not gonna lie. You know what? All right, I'm gonna go for it, bro. I'm gonna go for it, bro. I'm gonna go for it. Yep, I'm gonna go for it, bro. I got to. Yeah, I gotta try, because it bings people, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it bings people, bro. You know, it does bing people. It does. Ooh, do I need that? No, I don't need that. I got me one, bro. Alright, let's do it, bro. You convinced me, doubles. You convinced me. You convinced me, doubles. You convinced me. I will do it. I will do it. Only because you said so, doubles. You know? Yeah, you said so, so I gotta do it, bro. You know what I haven't seen, bro? I haven't seen any of the bots or the NPCs. Did they get rid of them? I hope not. going to. But first, I'm gonna get some of this stuff right here, bro. Because this could become handy. Does it have gasolina? It has gasolina. It has gasolina, doubles. Oh, there is a boss right there, bro. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. They moved the boss, bro. Somebody's there, bro. Oh, somebody already took him, bro. Somebody already took him, bro. Somebody already took him, bro. Alright, don't matter. It don't matter none. Bumblebee, howdy! What's up, bro? What's going on, my brother? Bobo, what's up? What's happening, bro? What's happening? We gotta go, bro. We gotta go. This stuff is like... This storm is like aggro, bro. Man, this storm is aggro, bro? What the heck? What the heck? Made my money on TRNR and bar none. Now, it's time to have fun. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Enemy right there, bro. See him? Yeah, we can't have none of that, bro. We can't have none of that, bro. Come on, leave me alone, fella. I gotta take my med kit, bro. Gotta take my med kit, bro. Nah, I don't do that, bro. That's too fancy for me. That's too fancy. I don't play that cray stuff, bro. Nah, bro. Nah. None of that, bro. I don't do that, bro. I do this right here, bro. I do the under the bridge thing, bro. Under the bridge thing, bro. Yo, Bumblebee says, hold on. What did he say? He said BATL that is ... Let's go, baby. I'll check it out. I'll check it out, bro. I will check it out, fellas. Now let's take some height, bro. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, look at this, bro. What is all this? What is all this goodness? What is this? Oh, migration, bro. Oh, my. Somebody got merculated. A little merculation over here, bro. A little merculation over here, bro. Wow, look at all this loot over here, bro. Holy Toledo, bro. Holy Toledo. Little mercantile. It's somebody right there, right? No, that was a fish, right? Was it a fish, bro? I think so, bro. Goodness. Oh my. All that goodness, bro. Should have taken the bandies, right? I should have took the bandies, right? I didn't take them, bro. I didn't take them. I did not take them, bro. I didn't take them. But I got mats now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I got mats. Oh, we gotta move, bro. We got to move, doubles. Look at this storm over here, bro. Probably want to be over there somewhere. Probably want to be there. I made money in battle already. Sorry for the confusion. Ah, okay. Let's go, baby. Money, 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 money. Bumblebee money. Let's go. I love hearing that our folks are making money. The Indelible Tribe making loot. Come on now. Come on now. That's the way it's got to be, bruh. Got to be just like that, right, doubles? Right? Let's go, baby. Bada bingo. Yo, I'm moving and grooving right now, bro. I'm moving and grooving right now, bro. I'm moving and grooving right now, bro. Don't make me go all the way to the end of the map, because I will, bro. I will. Doubles. I will. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, how's it work, bro?
You have to keep it locked on to somebody for a while.
Oh, really?
Far away from somebody, keep it locked on to them for a bit, and then when it's fully red,
so you gotta keep it locked for a while, in other words.
For a little bit.
Does it say how long?
It doesn't say.
BATL paid Bobo Beep. BATL paid Bobo Beep. Right? Right? And DRMA paid Alex. What's up? Everybody getting paid, baby. Getting some dinero. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, Doubles. I'm gonna listen to you, bro, because you know what you're talking about, and I believe you. I like the way you're looking at things, Doubles. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot, Doubles. I like it. I like it a lot. I like what you're saying. I got a golden one, bro. Look. I'm beautiful. I'm a beautiful, bro. It's a nicer one. All right, I'm gonna try it, bro. I grabbed it. It's gold. I couldn't resist. I don't see nobody. I don't hear nobody. I don't know where they're at, bro. I'm like in the wide open now. I shouldn't be. I should put a wall up, bro. But I'm living on a prayer right now, bro. Living on a prayer. Take mine. What's that song? Oh? Take my hand, and I don't know the song. Leave me alone, Doubles. I know I can't sing, bro. I know. I know. Somebody's here, bro. Somebody's here, bro. Somebody's here, bro. Where are these cats, bro? Where are they? Doubles, where are they at? Where's the beef, bro? Where's the beef, bro? Bye-bye, fool! Bye-bye, fool! Ooh, mini. Alright, I still don't see nobody, bro. You notice? I don't see nobody, bro. Where are these guys, bro? There's 3 other enemies and I don't see any of them. Right there. There goes one. When do I know I'm in? Yo, dude, this gun is fugazi, bro. I don't like it at all, bro. I'll be honest with you, it is not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea, Doubles. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I'm not feeling it, bro. I'm not feeling it, bro. All right. Yeah, I know. All right, where they at? It's 1v1, bro. He's below. I got it, bro. Where is he, bro? Where is he? Where's the beef? He's down here, bro. Yo, this gun sucks, bro. I don't like the gun at all, bro. Honestly, I don't like the gun at all! Dead. Yo, that gun sucks, bro. I am not getting it. It sucks, dude. It absolutely sucks. I lost that match because of that gun. I am never picking it up. Yeah, it's not my cup. I don't need it, bro. My aim is good. I don't need it. I don't need it, bro. My AR aim is good. I'm not going to do it no more. Nah, bro. That's twice it screwed me. If I had just used the MK, I would have lasered that boy. Lasered! Laser! 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 Alright, let's share it up. Let's share it up. I'm annoyed at Doubles because he made me use the wrong gun. Because it's your fault, bro. It's your fault, bro. Bro, it's your fault, bro. I know, but you made me pick it up a second time, bro. Bro, come on, bro, come on, bro, WTO, bro. Come on, what the Oscar, bro? WTO. I don't like the way WTO looks like, bro. It's a 2 million float stock with 351,000 volume. Not enough volume, but it's up 50%. I mean, you know, it's got no news. I don't know. I mean, man, I don't know. AGAE. Let's check it out. AGAE. Hey, what is it? AGAE. AGAE. Wait a minute. AE. Come on. There you go. Doubles, I'm not taking that gun ever again, bro. Never, ever. It did not hold up with the pen. And let's move the pen a little bit. Let's move it. Hold on, man. What is going on here? I know, but you deserved it, Doubles. You deserved all the meanness, bro. All of it, bro. For real. Yes, bro. Yes, because you maybe used the wrong gun, bro.
I didn't make you do anything. You grabbed the gun.
Mom, he's picking on me. Doubles, rotten, stinking. You rotten.
Are you gonna call Mama money on me?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna call DBL Moms on you. I'm going to get the Serengeti specialist and have her pick you up by the scruff of your neck like the little pup that you are. You rotten child, you. Being mean to your pappy. You're being mean to your pappy, I tell you. Anyway, anyhow, AGAE, little penny joint stonk. 25 million float, 189 million in volume. Significant. Up 62%. It's still, you could say it's still in a pennant. It's still got the 9 EMA above the volume weighted average, although the price action's below the 9 EMA. RSI is dipping. You got a lot of red candles, but here's the news. 30 minutes before power hour. So maybe some volume comes in and blesses it. Who knows? Let's go take a look at DRMA for our boy Alex. DRMA. And then we'we'll check out BATL for our boy Bobo Beebs. Let's go. All right, so this stunk right here, that top tail was disconcerting. So now it's formed a bit of a head and shoulders pattern. It needs to stay above this level right here, which is where the volume weighted average is. It has formed a head and shoulders here and here. This is your head. RSI is dipping. You're starting to see larger red candles, so sellers are in control, selling off. But you got 31 minutes before power hour. So if volume comes in, maybe it had some insider buying, man. So that was like the catalyst for yesterday, insider buying on drama, DRMA, drama, BATL. I'm not worried about Alex because he takes profits as he goes, you know. He's very, very, very calculated, baby. BATL, double top, sell off. All right, but our boy Bobo, we already made money on it. He's just chilling right now. He's chilling. He's gonna get some filet mignon right now with that money. Some ribeye. I love myself some ribeye doubles. You know, with some Peter Luger sauce. You know, you just smear it right over. You can even put some Peter Luger sauce on some iceberg lettuce, bro. Some people like the blue cheese. I don't mind the blue cheese. It ain't bad. Bro. It's a little different. It's a little tangy and zesty. You know. Huh, like I like my blue cheese. Tangy and zesty, bruh. Mm-hmm. All right, let's look at CDNL. That's another stock that just popped up. CDNL. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And also x.com at Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. TikTok at DBLNix. At DBLNICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. So what's the deal with Cardinal Infrastructure? Cardinal Official, bro. What was the song, bro? Cardinal Official song? Dangerous. Dangerous. Cardinal Infrastructure Group shares are trading higher after the company reported preliminary fiscal year 25 results. Also, the company acquired Sugar Hill Gang. A hip, hop, a hibbit, a hip, hop, and you don't stop, but pop into the bang, bang, boogity, up jump, the boogity. Shut up, Doubles. What do you know about that? You don't know nothing about the Sugar Hill Gang, bro. I know you do, because I taught you. But your thing is Planet Rock. Planet Rock. How's it go?
Planet Rock.
How's it go? Planet Rock. How's it go? You don't know how it goes? Nope. You don't want to tell me? Oh, you're being mean because you told me to use the wrong gun. I got you. You're being a little crusty right now, fella.
Salty?
You say salty, I say crusty, bro. You're like a cracker, like a saltine, bro. Come on now. Show some love to your daddy. show some love to your pappy, bro. What's up with you, bro? Don't make me start making you feel guilty, because you know I could do that. I could do it. I do it to you. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get the 500, 600 folks, peoples. Let's do it, indelibles. Let's go, tribe. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh boy. All right. So anyway, that's the story with it, right? It is stacked nicely in the sense that the 9 EMA is above the volume weighted average, but look, a lot of consolidation over here, consolidation with the RSI. So it's going to need some volume to give us some confirmation. It's a heavy floated stock at 15 million, and it's moving on only 626,000 shares. So that's a bit of an issue. It's also a more expensive stock at $32, baby. So that's called the Cardinal Infrastructure Company. Huh. 2 references: Cardinal Official, Sugar Hill Gang. I'm just saying. I don't think it's a coincidence. I don't think it's a coinky dink. Let's take a look at CISS. Let's take a look at it. All right, what's going on with that? It's trading higher after the company reported a year-over-year increase in its Q4. That is the catalyst. That is the catalyst, bro. But right now, it's consolidating as well. It, too, is consolidating. It is a 1 million float stock with a 32 million volume, so a 32x rotation volume to float ratio. Not bad, but it's only up 28% right now. So that's the story with it. Doubles. MLEC, bro, that stock, let me tell you something. Let me tell you a little something about that stock. That stock has run parabolic for quite a while, bro. Right? But right now it's sold off. It's below the volume weighted average. Volume weighted average is $19.41. 1941. It was a fine year for wine, baby. 1941. But I wasn't around, so and I don't drink wine, so don't matter to me none. But anyway, it's got a curl, baby curl. Right now, the 9 EMA is pointing away from the volume-weighted average, so that is a bearish signal. RSI appears to be drifting down towards the oversold area. That, too, is bearish. Volume is low. Of course, we expect that. There's still 26 minutes before the power hour. Make sure you take advantage of the 4-day trial with the Discord. You'll get all of the tools, including the multiple custom-made scanners like the scanner that we're sharing with you right now on the left side of the screen, which is the Market Mover Top Gainer scanner. It includes float and volume, works pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, not like Fugazi scanners. It's a real scanner, and it gives you links to the actual news and information pertaining to the stock. 52-week low, 52-week high. What's the float? What's the volume? What's the what's the press release? What are the filings? Is there a shelf registration? All at your fingertips. Plus, we have search features so that you can search all the news on any particular stock that you're interested in. And we also have a news feature that you'd have access to, which gives you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all news pertaining to stocks. Okay, so we spent a lot of money, time, and effort to put tools in the Discord community. Of course, the Discord community is off the hook. Of course, the people are fantastic, but we also put tools in there that you can utilize to improve your game, right? Because here's the bottom line: knowledge is power when it comes to trading, baby. Knowledge is power. So go ahead and take your 4-day trial. Click the link in the description. or in the pin comment and do your 4-day trial for $9.99. Let's go and get a dub for the community, and then we'll go and wrap it up with another review of the stonks as we get closer to the power hour. There's 25 minutes before power hour doubles. That coffee, though, doubles. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 600. KNRX moving up 138%. KNRX broke the downtrend. Broke the downtrend is curling. Curl, baby, curl. So could it be? Could it possibly be that this is going to be a descending wedge bull reversal? Could it be? I mean, it's below VWAP right now, bro. So, you know, we'll see what happens. We'll see. Got to get above that volume weighted average to look schmexy to me. How about AGAE? AGAE. Let's check it out. Pennant. Still in that pennant. It's struggling, bro. It's struggling. Come on, get some volume in you. It'll make you feel better. You got to get your vitamins in you. Your vitamin V will perk you right up. Put some color in your cheeks, so to speak. You know what I'm saying? DRMA. Trending upward ever so slightly. It's in a channel, bro. It's in a channel. Right now, it's at volume weighted average. We need to see it stay in the channel and not dissipate in the channel. Let's go ahead and put some artistic graffiti pencil coloration in here. Right over here. It's in a channel. Right over here, doubles, right? Right over here, doubles. It's in this channel. So you hit the bottom of the channel. Come on. Bounce up. Turn up. 9 EMA is pointing downward. We don't want that. We want it to point upward and away from the VWAP. And we want the VWAP to chase it. BATL. Let's take a look at it. Oil. Still trending downward. KNRX. Let's keep an eye on it. Trying to do a little something, doubles. It's trying, bruh. Let's go over here, man. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, doubles. I'm gonna mix it up, doubles. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, you know? Let's go over here. Let's do it. Let's get a share party. We're at 543 folks. Let's get to 600, 700, 800, 1,000. Let's get to 1,000, doubles. What do you think? 1,000? Doubles. Let's go. And no more of that lock-in rifle nonsense. No, I don't want it. I don't like it. Doubles, I don't like it. What is that gun called anyway? But I'll tell you what, bro. People lock on me with that dang thing, and they hit me every single time. I gotta take it into creative. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's not my cup of tea, bro. But it's not the way I play, bro. That's the problem. It's not the way I play. And I took a heel slot away from myself as a result of that, you know? I don't know. You know, I like double mobility and I like heels, bro. I like myself some heels, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? Let's go, baby. Whoa. Let's see what's over here, bro. All right, a little something right here, bro. An AR, bro. Oh, AR. You see, you asking, you shall receive, bro. Yes, sir, bro. I didn't mean to do that. I wanted my weapon first. That was not what I wanted, bro. I didn't want that to happen. I didn't want that. I didn't want none of that. All right. Let's go. There we go. Let's get that. Now. Let's do it.
There we
All right, let's go. You know what? Let's go this way. Bro. Here we go, doubles. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again, bro. Alex said, drama looks dead. I sold half when I said I was up 60%. Should have sold it all, but I like to put money on the table to risk if I am up big. I get you, bro. I get you. As long as you risk manage it right, which is, you know, it sounds like you always do. So it's all good. And you know what? You live to fight another day because there'll be another stonk that moves. There'll be another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Doubles. Wow, look, I got a lot of ammo, bro. I thought I was going to be a little bit light on that, you know? I need mobility, though. I need a little mobility. The other problem with this particular drop is you don't get a lot of gold, bro, you know? Ah, jetpack! A jetpacker, bro! Jetpacker! A jetpacker, bro! Jetpacker! Let's go, bro. A little jetpack action, bro. Why not? Never hurt nobody. It never hurt nobody, bro. Let's see what we can do over here. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in, doubles. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in, doubles. Jetpacker. Ooh, got one song a little bit, bro. I got. There's an enemy nearby, bro. There's an enemy nearby. An enemy nearby. Oh, check that out. That's not even a real... That wasn't even a real cactus. It was like a camera, bro. Did you see that? Yeah, bro. I'm telling you. Yeah. I'm telling you, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see what's going on over here, bro. How far is this? Let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. What's going on over here? Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if there's anything good. There's loot right here, bro. You're mad, bro. Let's see if we can get anything over here, bro. Shut the gun. Shut the back. You know what? Let's get a couple of these bad boys right here, bro. Let's see. Nobody took anything over here, bro. You know? Nobody took anything. Nobody got nothing over here, you know? Nobody got it. Let's see. Let's see. Why not, right? Doubles. Might as well. How about we take this, because you never know if you need it. None, you know? Oh, yeah. This was worth it. A little more mobility, why not? Yeah, right? You know I love mobility, bro. Mobility attack. Let's get it. Let's get a ship party. Let's get to 700. 700. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get a little healage going on right here. A little healage. Why not? Never hurt nobody. Wouldn't it be great if I got a chug, bro? I haven't seen one of those in a hot minute, bro. Jetpack, huh? Ooh, I'll take that. See, look, it was worth it, bro. It was worth it, I tell ya. Alright, let's get that right there. Let's go over here. Ooh, yeah, we get one of these bad boys too. Why not? Doubles. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. We don't need to get greedy, do we? No, let's get out of here, bro. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh, and guess what? There's a guy over here. What you call him? What do you call that dude?
What?
An NPC? An NPC? Why not? Why not, bro? Where's he at? Where's the beef, bro? Where's the beef, bro? Right there. Somebody already take care of business over here or what? He's got to be done by now, right? Somebody probably eliminated this fella. They must have eliminated him already, I would say. Where? What the heck? What the heck is going on over here, bro? I don't understand, bro. Up here somewhere? Really? What? I don't understand, bro. Alright, that was kind of fugazi. That was kind of fugazi. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 800. 800. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go, baby. I don't know what the heck that was all about, bro. To be honest with you. Didn't make no sense to me. Didn't make any sense to me, Doubles. Nope, nope, nope. Didn't make any sense to me. Oh, look, there's another one over here, bro. I don't think I'm going to be able to find it. Oh, right there, bro. Right there, bro. Still alive, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Just like that, bro. Come on, bro. Look at that, bro. Come on, that was worth it. Come on, Doubles. You know that was worth it. Let me see what the circle looks like. You know what, bro? Nah, I'm not going to do it, bro. I'm not going to take it, but I was thinking about it, though. I'm not going to lie to you. I was thinking about it, Doubles. I really was, bro. I was really thinking about it, bro. I was thinking about it, son. What's this, bro? Yumminess. Some yumminess right here, bro. Look at here, bro. How many? Only 5? Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, fool. You messed me up, bro. I can't say I hate my loadout because it's not true. No, I don't hate it, bro. Bro, why are there like the emblem of the bot is it must be on the ground or something, right, bro? It's gotta be, bro. Gotta be, bro. Where you at, fool? When you don't know where they at, you just keep going, bro. Right? When you don't know where they're at, you just keep moving, bro. Bye-bye, fool! Yeah, okay. Wait until I land, fool. Bye-bye, fool. See you later, alligator. Coach you later, bruh. Bye, fool. I got me some mobility. Some mobility, bro. I ain't concerned about y'all none. No, man. Nah, get out of here, bro. Naughty, naughty. Trying to shoot the coach. What's wrong with you? Now, you know they're up here, right? You know they're up here, bro. Wow, wow, bro. Wow. Told you they were here, bro. Coach you later. Bro, what is up with all these people, bro? What's up, bro? What's up? What's up, man? What's up, man? Right, Doubles? What's up, man? Where they at, bro? Where they at? Where these fools at, bro? Seems like there's an enemy over here, bro. Right there, bro. See him? Oh my gracious, bro. We got enemies here everywhere. We got enemies everywhere, bro. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Tinkerbell, you smell, you smell. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's Coach Nick money. Money, 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 money. Doubles. Money. You trying to take away a doublification from the indelible tribe? Nah. Nah. That's for the indelibles, yo. Winners win, baby. Winners win. We got Big Shrimpy wants to check out MLEC. Let's check it out on YouTube. Let's check it out, bro. Bro, I got a bunch of stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Got the doublification for the community, bruh. For the community. Got it for my peoples, bruh. Let's take a look at MLEC. MLEC, 3 minutes before the power hour, baby. Let's get some key levels of resistance and support. This is a multi-day runner. This particular stock ran like a Dickens. It's got earnings in approximately 12 days, unconfirmed, but it has been running like a Dickens. So let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so we have an idea, doubles, an idea of what levels are key levels of support and resistance. Let's put the Fibonacci on it, bro. Right over here for our boy Big Shrimpy. Big Shrimpy. Okay, so here you go. So first resistance area is going to be right around $19, which is where the Fibonacci retracement is, as well as where the volume weighted average is. So what we want to see this 90 MA curl and pierce through it. It'll have significant resistance at around 19.25. If it can break through that, the next resistance area is going to be all the way up at almost $21.70. Support is right here at $17, but we really want to see that 90 MA curl upward. We want to see the RSI move towards the upward area over here, move towards overbought. That will be a bullish signal. We need to see some volume. The volume candles are low, but again, we're still 2 minutes before power hour. Power hour goes from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully, volume will rush in and push the price action upward. Good luck to you, Big Shrimpy. Good luck to you. I hope you make a ton of money, because I am Coach Nick Money. Money, 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 money. Money. I'm just saying, doubles. I'm just saying. All right, KNRX. Let's check it out. KNRX. Trying to break through the volume weighted average. It had news. It announced the launch of Agent AI Ready Ads API to power cross-channel advertising automation. That was the news that catapulted it earlier in the morning, and then it sold off. It looks like it formed a descending wedge bull reversal pattern, and it has in fact reversed. The 90 MA is moving towards the volume weighted average, but it needs to break through the volume weighted average, which is sitting at around $2.57. RSI is bullish, and the candles are starting to grow in size. So we will keep an eye on this fella. KNRX is the leading gainer, up 164% right now. 164, baby. Let's go to DRMA. DRMA was running for quite a while, but now it looks like it's formed a head and shoulders pattern over here. It's still holding above the volume weighted average, so we need to see some volume come in and push it upward. And we need to see the 90 MA start to curl away from the VWAP. We have indecisiveness so far with the RSI, Relative Strength Index, but we are now officially at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the beginning of power hour, so hopefully some volume will bless it. Let's get a share party going on. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Set your notifications on. Make sure you comment and share and all that good stuff. And definitely set your notifications on, because we have 2 shows, not just one. We got a bunch of videos and a bunch of shorts. I mean, we got a whole bunch of content on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. You want to set the notifications on, because we have our morning show with my illustrious co-host as the host of the morning show called Microcap Mornings, the one and only DBL in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker. He and the Serengeti Specialist, the huntress of all things parabolic. We like to call her DBL Bombs. Yes, the 2 of them are constantly hunting down parabolic plays from 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time pre-market all the way into regular hours, pre-market into regular hours of the market. So they're hunting down all the parabolic plays, everything that is parabolic, baby, cha-cha-cha. So go ahead and set those notifications on at YouTube, right? At Coach Nick Money on YouTube, at Coach Nick Money. Okay, we told you we're on X.com, aka Twitter, at the screen. our custom-made scanner, one of many custom-made scanners. This is the Market Mover, and we are also offering a 4-day trial for $9.99 for our private Discord community. Of course, it's a fantastic community. Of course, the people are amazing. Of course, we're there, and you can chat with us and whatnot. Of course, all of that, but we're different than the other other discords, right? Because the other discords, they don't spend money. It's all hype, right? They get the Fugazi scanners that don't give you any information. Our scanners provide you with volume and float. Our scanners work pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Their scanners don't. Our scanners have hyperlinks so that you look up the news, the press releases, the filings, whether or not there's a shelf registration, whether or not the stock is a potential dilution risk. Other scanners don't do that. They don't do that. A lot of the scanners don't even work other than regular hours. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Did you know that? All right. So we got the Market Mover scanner that basically keeps track of all the leading gainers. And then we have a special scanner that we created called the Stock Ticker Tape Scanner, which is a breakout scanner that hunts for the next parabolic move. It's searching for unusual volume and other activity to try to predict which stocks might break out. And then, of course, we have a ton of educational information. We share our stocks that we're looking at, what we're looking at, why we're looking at them, and so on and so forth. So we have that information, a lot of educational content. And, of course, one of the things that people love is the early watch list that we put out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday for the next day. And that early watch list almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up going parabolic the next day. So go ahead, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for your 4-day trial for $9.98, and let us know that you saw us on the Discord. Let's take a look at a couple more stocks. AGAE, let's take a look at AGAE. Let's take a look at it. AGAE, let's look at it. Oh, and it failed. It broke down from the pennant. So no. No bueno. Let's go back to KNRX. Let's take a look at it. It's trying to break through that VWAP. The VWAP is going to be a significant area that it needs to break through to be schmaxy to me. BATL, this stock is an oil stock, and it was breaking down. It looks like it's trying to curl up, but it's still got a long way to go before it breaks through the volume weighted average. NAMM, let's take a look at it. NAMM is still drifting on upward. It's on an uptrend. There's quite a bit of extension between the 9 EMA and the VWAP. RSI is moving towards heavily overbought, but not quite there. So it may have a little bit more room, but it looks like it could potentially be getting a little bit too extended. CISS, let's take a look at it. CISS, let's do a share party. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the 900. Let's get to 1,000. Let's do it, baby. Let's go. Oh, my goodness. That was a good Victory Royale doubles, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, we smoked that critter. He tried to be fresh to the coach. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so they had CISS had some positive earnings results. It's formed what looks to be a potential pennant right over here, right? So it's got a potential pennant situation happening. It's a 1 million float stock. It had 32 million volume in total. What we need to see is some more volume come in. RSI looks like it's trying to pull upward, but I don't see the volume candles kicking in just yet. We want to see it break through this upper band and maintain the support of the lower band of the pennant. That is CISS up 34%. 34%. Let's take a look at the new one that's on the scanner. JZ, yo, I call you for real. Because you the truth, bro. This one is also a pennant perhaps, but there's not a heck of a lot of volume. It don't look too schmexy, but the RSI is trying to move up. It's a China stock, China. So all that comes with the China stocks, low float movements, choppy. But it's currently up 28%. It's a 2 million float stock, 6 million in volume. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank y'all for joining us. I got you, y'all Victory Royale. I hope you had a good time. I hope you learned a lot from what I was teaching you and showing you. And I hope you had a couple of laughs because I try to make it entertaining so you don't get bored. Because let's face it, man, this could get boring if you're just saying the same thing over and over again. Oh, the stock's not moving. Oh, the stock's moving. Oh, the stock's not moving. It gets boring, right? I can even do it in a British accent and it's still boring. Oh, the stock is not moving. Oh, the stock is moving. It's still boring, bro. So I try to entertain you. I hope you got a lot of laughs out of it. But more importantly, I hope I kept you engaged and you learned a little something. And I hope you're making a lot of money. I want you to achieve all your goals, your aspirations, your dreams. I call y'all indelibles because I want you to leave your mark, and I want your mark to be unerasable, a.k.a. indelibles, baby. Indelibles. That's it, baby. Make a lot of money. Be greenable. We love you. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Make sure you catch the morning show tomorrow at 8:20 with my illustrious co-host, the indelible one, DBL Nix in the house, the Rainmaker, baby. The
It's the
Rainmaker
Rain.
at 8:20 a.m. Eastern